freaking love getting Dolly mail, and we have some really fun Dolly mail today. I think one is a craft exchange package, and then 2 are just Christmas gifts that came late. I'm not 100% sure. We will see. But you're not here to watch me ramble. You're here to watch me unbox things and see what I got. I'm going to start off with the craft exchange package because Christmas was a hot minute ago. This is dry shampoo. I'm not this gray. I'm sorry. I don't know why that's... Anyways. Okay, so this one is from Josie's Dolls. I do believe there's still one craft exchange that hasn't arrived at the time of filming, but I always feel bad cutting through stickers when they're on boxes like that. Okay, I'm really sorry about the box. It's so taped. I can't actually see where like the creases are, so I'm just kind of cutting it and just trying to be careful not to cut anything inside. So we have a little message on the top. Dear Rosie, thank you so much for letting me participate in the craft exchange again. I had a lot of fun making the things for you, as well as making some things in a style I've not done a lot before. I had Raven and Edgar, mostly Raven, in mind when making it. I also included some of my homemade patterns. Oh my god, thank you so much, Josie. That's amazing. One of them having been made for one of the gifts. Oh my god, that's so cool. I really hope you'll enjoy the things I've sent your way. Very Merry Christmas, and sorry for the delay in shipping. Kindest regards, Josie, the doll collector. Oh my god, thank you, Josie. I am so excited. Let me just put the note to the side there to get into this. So we have some packaging. Stickers were all made by me. That is so cute. I have to show off some of the stickers. I need new stickers on my iPad, but I also want them protected. I put like really cute stickers all over my stuff, and I find they get like afraid, and it makes me sad. But I don't want them to like be permanently coated on the case either. But we have this cute frog. He's adorable. I love frogs. The frog butt. Okay, this one is literally me. This is hilarious. And then we have a mud kit and another frog butt. I love that. Those are all amazing stickers. I'm going to put them... I have a sticker box, but it is currently being used as a tripod. Okay, so we have a pattern on top, which I will absolutely cherish these. I'm going to try some of these. Not right this minute because I have to open things, but I am very excited to try these. And then finally, I'm just going to go ahead and slide this out of the box. Some of these out of the bubble wrap because there's a lot of little things here. I think I'll start with the ones in black tissue and then move to like the white. Maybe I'll start with the white tissue because there's only one, and I'll do the boxes last. So let's do the first one in white tissue. That's so cute. Okay, so it's what is it, a bag? But it's like a little soot sprite. Like, tell me that isn't the cutest thing ever. It's so fluffy. I do think it's like a bag of some kind, or like a belt maybe. There's like these long pieces. Maybe it's like a necklace. I'm not 100% sure. But it is so funny and cute. He's really cute. I like that. Oh, I see a red sleeve, I think. Oh my gosh. That is so precious. Like, are you kidding me? They're just like, it's like a little overall dress. We've got some little black buckles. Like, it's so precious. And it's like separate pieces. She just put them together because obviously it's an outfit. But the top is this like velvety, stripy, like semi-sheer moment. Okay, and then yeah, this is the overall dress. Oh, it has pockets. I love when things have functional pockets. It's my favorite. You can put like the doll's hands in there for pictures. Like, I think my dolls have more pockets in their clothes than I did as a teenager. Now I'm very specific about pockets. And the waistband and the overall are lined. It's very nice. Oh my god, that is so cute. It reminds me of a top I used to have from Dangerfield. It's too big for me now, so I had given it to somebody. But It's reminding me of Dangerfield. I love Dangerfield clothing. And this is exactly what this looks like to me. I'm actually so excited to put this on Raven. And there's like, again, functional pockets. I think I might even like that one better than the first one, but I love them both, obviously. But... oh, we got some more plaid. Oh, it's a jacket. Okay. I thought it was a sweater and I thought that it was adorable, but it is a jacket. It's got like velvety sleeves and it's like purple and plaid. This is so cute. I love jackets. I don't ever have like edgy jackets anymore. I have like one purple jean jacket I can use, but like, and the last one in tissue. Got some more velvet. Oh, we got something else too. I don't wanna. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, look, look, look. It's like, well, this is like a handkerchief dress. Look at the fabric of this. It's so flowy. Like this has such nice movement. 10 out of 10 on the fabric for this because like the color, that dark purple is beautiful. I want this in my size. Like I would wear the heck out of this. This is so cute. Now I'm gonna have to make myself one. I'm pretty sure, yeah, like handkerchief dresses are like, the skirt is a square, but it looks so, it's so nice. That's so nice. And then the other thing in here, we have another dress. Oh, this one's like a high-low and there's like slits and it's got like bell sleeves. Again, this is also something I would wear. Like this would be a winter dress for me. I would fully, maybe not in like a blue, this like bluey purple color in black though. Okay, and then we have the 4 boxes. I'm gonna have to do a dress up, I think. Okay, what do we have in here? Okay, so the first thing I see is this choker, and it's got like a little pentagram moment, and then the little heart chain, all in gold, and it's like black and gold, and that is so pretty. And then we have a matching harness, so it's like black. There's a little clip at the back, like. Also, the little like form is so cute. The buckle is a heart. I just noticed. Like, are you kidding me? That's so cute. Okay, and then this one's kind of opened already, so we're gonna go with that one. Oh, it's a little heavy. Ooh, woo! So it's like a studded belt and choker combo. This is so cool. Yeah, so we've got like these big spikes. This will like hang off the side of the pants here with all of these like different charms and stuff. Like. I'm all about the accessories. These are so cool, Josie, like so cool. And then next, also again, I always say this, but I'm sorry if it feels like I'm rushing through it, but I am aware this video can end up being 30 hours long. And did you make shoes? Ah, they're like sock boots. They're like over the knee, like sock boots in black. Why I haven't made a pair of these, I don't know, but like these are really cute. I love these. Sock boots are my favorite type of shoes to make, by the way. Like they look nice. They fit a wide variety of dolls, and they're just like, I just think they're cute. Okay, last one. Ooh, okay, so this one is, I think, a necklace. Oh, like hip. Okay, so I think this is like to show the hip, and then it like hangs off the side. It's like a waist, and that's super pretty. I love all the accessories. I'm so excited to like put them over those dresses or like the pants. I think they're gonna look absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Josie, for everything. I can tell you put a lot of work into those. They look so great, and I'm so excited to have some of your amazing pieces in like this grungy goth style in my collection now. So thank you so much. Okay, so next up I have like Christmas present stuff. So I have one from Padoodlepie Dolls and then one from NerdyDollGirl. I'm going to open Nerdy's first because it's like little and cute, and I think we can do this one second. We did the biggest one, and then we'll do the smallest one, and then we'll do the medium-y one. So also this one like matches the background low-key really nice. So it looks like she sent me a bunch of like stickers and stuff. So again, this wasn't like craft exchange. She just sent me a little Christmas present. I sent her a little Christmas present. I was not expecting anything in return, but it is so sweet that she did send stuff along. I freaking love the boo-boos. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, we almost lost a couple. Okay, So we've got a whole bunch of Labubu stickers. I'm so excited about these. Again, I just said, oh my god, the blue one. Okay, look how cute he is. I had just said my Labubu stickers were like wearing out. So I'm so glad I can replace them. So thank you so much, Tiffany, NerdyDollGirl. Because yes, let me add these to the sticker pile. And then we also have, oh, a business card. Jewelry by NerdyDollGirl. And then we have some jewelry by NerdyDollGirl. So we have this really cute unicorn piece. This is really precious. Looks like a necklace, like gold or such. And then same kind of thing, gold necklace. Oh, this is like a magical girl wand, which again, really cute. Oh my god. I feel like I had this necklace during my hipster days. Like, it's just like little silver glasses, like a 10 out of 10. This one is, oh, it's like a skull and crossbones. There's a Kuromi. I love Kuromi. So that is super exciting and super freaking cute. And then there's this one, which might be like, I might have to open this one because I am not 100% sure. Oh, is this a shirt? I think this is a top. Oh my god. Okay, so I think this goes like this, like behind the neck. That is so freaking cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a crop top. That's amazing. I think that's gonna look amazing over like a black or like a white dress or something. Or just over like a little bandeau. Oh my god, that is awesome. That must have been so much work with all the jump rings. Like, you're wild. I freaking love that. That's amazing. I'm gonna put it back in here so it doesn't get all tangled up. But amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, NerdyDollGirl. These are very cool. Everybody go check out NerdyDollGirl's website. All right, finally we have the one from Nelly. I'm just trying to figure out how the box opens. She's open. It's not pretty, but she's open. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a note. Hey Rose, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sorry it took me so long to send your gift, but it was finished before Christmas, but I had some trouble getting it to the post office. That's, again, fine. Tried to make some things that are not just color block pastel, because I remember you saying you were trying different styles, so I hope you like everything. It's not as much this year. Okay. Last year you went off, so like, good. I've not had a lot of time to work on hobby stuff. Working on finding a better work-life balance. I wanted you to know that your videos have been such a bright spot for me. That's so, like, I don't know. Thank you, Nelly. I didn't know how much of that you wanted me to read, so. We will just hop right in. We'll start with this green one. Or maybe here, let's do the thing where we gently pour out. Because then no one has to look at this box anymore. Actually, I'm going to start with, I never start with the big one, but the big one is revealing itself to me. So I'm just going to unwrap this because I think this is a doll. And now I'm trying to remember if I sent Nelly a doll. Oh my god, she's so funny. She's like, what was the name of this? This is one of her new sculpts. It's got like big feet. Oh my gosh, she's so fun. And I've been so in love with like 6 scale and like 1/5 scale dolls, even like 1/8 scale, even 1/12 scale. I'm really into like small dolls right now, so this is absolutely perfect. I love the color too. She looks like, she reminds me of my Lily Cat Daven, like that really delicious looking caramel color. That's the color. She's gorgeous. Oh, I like the shoulder joints too. Her little belly. She's precious. Let me get her face in here so you can see. But I'm gonna have to put this with, Hopeful Creation gave me a doll when he came and visited. And it's just laying there, and I'm gonna have to do their face ups and stuff. Oh, we have an alternate faceplate. It looks like a smiley one. Like just padding, but like, here's the alternate faceplate. So cute, so cute, so cute. She's baby Nelly. Oh my god, her tiny head. I'm like, actually, I think I just made wigs with Pablo that will be tiny enough for her, which is really exciting. And if not, I will make new ones because now I have balls that are even this small to make wigs. This is even smaller than her head, so we will be good to go. I will message you if there's nothing in here with her name on it. but we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, so I don't think this is for her because I think this would be too small, but I think this is for one of my teeny tinies, and it's crochet. The way this is, it does not Velcro up the back. Nelly, shut up. This is so beautiful. The little elastic sewn in. You're crazy. Oh my God, and it's like, look at the sides. See the side panels? I'm gonna go show my mom this after because my mom crochets, but like my crochet, like she'll freak out. Like that's amazing. Okay, and we have, this is just tissue. I just wanted to make sure before I toss it. This might fit her, but I'm gonna put on one of my teeny tinies. Sorry. Then we'll open this one. Okay, it's like a little bralette. Like a little bralette and bloomer set. This is absolutely precious. I'm going to use these in some pictures when I do Clover and Poppy's pre-order, as long as they fit. I think they'll fit. Oh my God, these are cute. These might fit. I think these are actually intended for this doll, but we'll see. These are like absolutely adorable. Nelly is insane. I'm just gonna say, Nelly, I think you're one of the best seamstresses in the doll hobby. There's a couple up there. You were up there. Like, this is nuts. First of all, are you kidding me? This is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life. This is freaking precious. I can't. And the bow on the back. Like, go off, Little House on the Prairie. This is the most beautiful. I want her in a teacup. Like, I want this doll. And I want these bloomers underneath. I know, like, this won't work underneath, but, like, I also feel like these bloomers need to be underneath. And they need to, like, poke out a little. Like, are you seeing the vision? Because I'm seeing the vision. Okay, last one. Okay. And again, we have another pair of amazing tiny jeans that are for my teeny tinies. Thank you so much for making me tiny clothes, Nelly. Like, they're such a struggle, and you did an amazing job. Again, we have the world's smallest functional pockets. They are because you were insane. And everything is Velcro or hook and loop, or like, Velcro is hook and loop, or like the little hooks and stuff. That's crazy. Thank you so much, Nelly. Thank you so much, Tiffany. Thank you, Josie, everybody, for the beautiful dolly mail. I appreciate all of this. And thank you so much to you for watching. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day.